You actually read it.
You read my mind. That's an idiom for what, Kinsley?
He knew what you think.
Yeah, he knew what I was thinking. Yeah, so if I ever say you read my mind, that means you did what I was thinking. Yep, good job. All right, now, today I want to review some money. And I want to see that you know and understand money. And then tomorrow we're going to do a fun St. Patrick's Day money activity. And it's going to be moving around and it's going to be active, okay? Before we do this review, I want to show one video that I don't think I've showed yet on money. Have I done the money song with you guys yet?
No.
Okay, so let's watch this video to review our money. Next week, you will be tested. I told Mrs. Subert this morning, she will either test you on recognizing money and their value, or my remote learners, Mrs. Emmert, will do that with you tomorrow, next week, okay? So let's watch this money song first, okay? It should be easy.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Here is a penny, and this is what it looks like.
Penny.
No, it doesn't.
A penny is worth.
1 cent.
A penny is worth.
1 cent.
Here is a nickel, and this is what it looks like.
Nickel.
That one's funny.
Nickel.
A nickel is worth.
5 cents.
A nickel is worth.
5 cents.
Here is a dime, and this is what it looks like.
Dime. Dime.
A dime is worth.
10 cents.
A dime is worth.
10 cents.
Here is a quarter, and this is what it looks like.
Quarter. Quarter.
A quarter is worth.
25 cents.
A quarter is worth.
25 cents.
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it.
All right, so today, let's quickly review our money value. Now, everybody turn your eyes back there to the student week board and go below it. You can see Mrs. Murphy is running out of room. So I did put the penny, nickel, dime, and quarter back there. Okay, so if you ever need to turn and look back there, you can. But for today, guys, I'm going to also put it on the board up here. So look up here. Let's review the quarter. I have a quarter with George Washington on it, and either the bald eagle or the States or a different back. Keaton, how much money is that? 25 cents. 25 cents, and the cent sign goes in the back. If I have this small little tiny one, and it's silver, it is a dime, and how much is a dime worth, Raylan?
10 cents.
one. It's not the small one. It's not the big one. It's the medium. What is that, Addie?
5.
Yep, it's 5 cents. What is it called?
A nickel.
Nickel. Okay? And then this little tiny copper one. What is that, Lewis? 1 cent. And what is that called?
Penny.
The penny. Okay, so next week we'll be checking. Do you know the name of them? And do you know the value of them? And can you recognize them? Okay? Raylan, question.
Oh.
You're going to answer that? Okay. All right, now today, in a minute, I will have you do some of this on your own. You will do the vocabulary on your own. You will match the money with the correct amount. And then you'll do number 6 on your own. You'll do number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 on your own. But let me go through number 6 and 7. Number 6 and 7, you're going to count the money and get to the total. And you're going to do the same with number 7. Number 8 is count the value of this money, and then they did spread it out for you. And cross off the coins as you go. Now, listen to number 9 and 10. 9 and 10. You're going to count to find the value of the coins. Circle the combinations that equal $1. So I'm going to circle the coins that I can get to $1 on 9 and 10. And then on number 11 and 12, use each coin to make $1. Write the number of coins you will need to use. I'm going to help you because you're going to need this on this one and on the back page. If I have a quarter, John, how many quarters do I need for $1?
4.
How many?
4.
4. Everybody look up here. Mrs. Murphy's going to write a 4. You need 4 quarters for $1. How many dimes do I need, Kaden? 10. 10. Good job. How many nickels do I need, Braylon?
20.
20. And lastly, everybody should get this. How many pennies?
100.
Good job. 100.
1.00.
Okay, so you are going to need that for this bottom, 11 and 12. You're going to also need it for the back. Guys, you guys see where it says
Yeah.
blank pennies make $1? That's where you're going to put 100. Or how many nickels make $1?
20.
Okay, how many dimes and how many quarters? And on here, they just want you to count and write the money and then the total. Okay? The page I'm going to help you with is the problem-solving page. So can you find this page with this little toy dinosaur on there?
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Okay, find the page. Kaden, question?
I just got his iPad again.
Well, that's not right, is it? What's he doing on his iPad?
He's playing he's on Kids
Okay. We're going to do number 13. We're going to do this together. It says Lupe buys a toy dinosaur for 47 cents. He gives the cashier 1 quarter and 1 dime. How much more money does he need to give the cashier? So the cashier is the person that you check out with. So, Addie, let's draw the money that he has. How much money does he have?
1 quarter and 1 dime.
Okay, right now everybody draw a quarter and a dime. Remember, you can put a Q or 25. And then he has a dime. All right, Addie, let's count. Whoa, Mrs. Murphy accidentally erased
Yeah, the big eraser there.
both of them.
Huge.
That was bigger than I thought.
Pens on your hands.
Okay, so if I have a quarter, second graders, how much does he have?
30.
25.
35.
Now,
If
if I add a dime, how much does he have?
35.
Lewis, how much?
5.
35.
Yeah, I said that.
No, you said 30.
I said 30.
Oh, okay. Now, he needs to get to 47. So what do you think the 3 coins who they should give the cashier? He needs to give them 3. He can't give them a quarter because that'd be too much. What do you think, Kinsley?
A dime and two nickels.
You're close.
2 pennies.
Yes, Kinsley says a dime. Because Kinsley, if you give him a dime, how much does he have now?
45.
Yeah, he has 45. And so that's one of the coins. And then Kinsley's right. She says now he needs to give 2 pennies. Because then I would get 46, 47. So he needs 2 pennies to get 46, 47.
I'm getting confused.
What was that, Brooklyn?
You should cross them off because I'm getting confused because I'm like crossing off.
Crossing off what?
Like cross off the ones I already did because I'm getting confused.
Well, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47. So please put over here. Oh, sorry, this is a trick question.
What? Oh,
Can't put the answer there because the question is how much more money does he need to give? So we need to see how much money down here.
Oh. It's 1 dime, 12, and 2
12
cents.
Yeah, dime and 2 pennies, that'd be 12 cents. So he needs to give the cashier 12 more cents.
Please, yes. Can you peek any?
Okay, give me a thumbs up when you have this done and you're ready for Mrs. Murphy to move her page. Yep, we do the brain builders on the review every time. Okay, now on the bottom, it says number 14, John and Mark went to buy a toy that costs $1. John has 2 dimes and Mark has 2 quarters. How much more money do the boys need? So Brooklyn, how many do they have to start with?
They have 2 dimes and 2 quarters.
Good job. Let's write the quarters first. So Brooklyn's right, 2 dimes and 2 quarters. Except Mrs. Murphy's gonna do the quarters first. So I'm gonna do 2 quarters. You guys know that's 25, 50. Now, I have 2 dimes. So 2 dimes would give me 10 more cents each. So I'm at 50, 60, 70. Now, this should be easy. Guys, they need to get to $1. They're at 70. So they would need 3 more dimes, which is what?
30 cents.
30 cents. Now, they could give them 3 dimes. What else could they give them? 30 pennies.
That would take a lot.
That would take a long
Yeah,
time. 25.
A 25, a quarter, and a nickel.
Nickel.
They could give them, what else? Brooklyn?
25. You can give it. You order like you have to take the whole that away and do 4 quarters.
No, you cannot do quarters.
2 quarters.
2 quarters would give us 50. But a quarter and a nickel would be right. Great, Raylan.
6 nickels.
6 nickels is right. Okay, last one, number 15. Lacey found 1 quarter and a dime. She already had 30 cents. Kira has 85 cents. How much more money does Kira have? So let's find out what Lacey has. Lacey already has 30 cents. So right over here, put 30. She already has 30. She finds a quarter. So guys, this is going to be tricky, but I think you guys can do it. If we have 30 plus a quarter is 25. So 30 plus 20 would be what? 30, 40, 50 plus 5 more would be 55. So she's got 55. Then she finds a dime. So if I'm at 55 plus a dime, well, 55 plus 10. What would that be, everybody?
65.
Good job, 65. Now, cents. How much more do I go from 65 to 85? Lewis? Yeah,
25.
no, not 25. We're at
30.
65, 75,
85.
That would be
Wait,
2 more tens, which would be
20
cents. So she needs 20 more cents. She needs another dime and another dime. So that would give us 75. Just a minute. And then 85.
Or 10 quarters.
Not quarters.
For a second, I thought this one, mixed with this one, just so I could have to come
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah, don't do that because that's not the right spot. Okay, now listen to just like Miss Shaper's first group. Now, this is what your directions are. No matter if you go with Mrs. Shaper, the first group or the second group, your job is you first are going to complete this because I'm going to check to see that you're understanding your money. When you get done, you're going to go to your IXL math skills on coins, P1, P2, P3, P4. You're going to try to get as many of those done, and then you're going to get pride points. So if you get one of them done, you'll get 1. If you get 2 of them done, you get 2. Okay? All right. Go ahead, Mrs. Shaper's first group. You may go first.